Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the potential of VR to revolutionize education. VR, or virtual reality, is a technology that allows users to experience a simulated environment. This can be done by using a headset that displays the environment on a screen in front of the user's eyes. VR has the potential to revolutionize education by providing students with a more immersive and interactive learning experience. In traditional education, students are often passive learners. They sit in a classroom and listen to a lecture. They may also be asked to read a textbook or complete a worksheet. VR can make learning more active and engaging. Students can explore virtual worlds and interact with virtual objects. This can help them to understand concepts more easily and retain information better. VR can also be used to create simulations that would be impossible to create in the real world. For example, students could use VR to experience what it would be like to travel back in time or to explore the inside of a human cell. VR has the potential to make education more accessible to everyone. Students who live in rural areas or who have disabilities can use VR to learn from the comfort of their own homes. Challenges associated with using VR in education is the cost of VR headsets. VR headsets can be expensive, which can make it difficult for schools to afford them. Another is the lack of VR content. There is not a lot of VR content available that is specifically designed for education. This means that teachers may have to create their own VR content, which can be time-consuming. Despite the challenges, there are a lot of opportunities, including creating personalized learning experiences for students. Students can learn at their own pace and focus on the concepts that they need to learn. VR can also be used to create collaborative learning experiences. Students can work together in virtual worlds to solve problems and complete projects. VR can also be used to assess student learning. Teachers can use VR to track student progress and identify areas where students need extra help. VR is a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize education, which can be widely adopted in schools if the challenges are addressed. Education can be more engaging, accessible, and effective. I am excited to see how VR is used in education in the years to come. The possibilities will be unimaginable.